Oh yes. Oh yes. It's really that serious. You know, I had to dress up. I had to go out and get a suit. I'm in Dubai right now. I'm sitting here thinking, it's an occasion. I even learned how to tie my own tie. I think I did it right. But I'm sitting here thinking like, dude, this is such a special video. I gotta be dressed to a T. So I got this green suit on. I got the slacks, man. Don't play with me. Everybody's freaking out in crypto right now. Everybody's thinking, oh shit, it's over. We're cooked. Everything's going down. And I feel some type of way about that, you know? Because for me, I've been trading publicly for 5 years on the IG almost. And I think I know my stuff when it comes to, you know, if we're bottomed or not. And it's just one of the things. It's just one of the things. I think you're wrong, okay? So I wanted to make this video. I want you to listen closely, okay? You listening? XRP has fucking bottomed. You hear me? XRP has bottomed, meaning right now, I believe we are at the bottom for XRP. And if you lock the fuck in, okay, if you want to make some fucking money this year, you'll end up buying down here and not all-time highs. I want you to listen to me for a second, okay? This is voiceover cam. Here, I want to tell you the reasonings why I think XRP's bottomed real quick, because I don't think I really did that in the video itself. To start off, we're at max fear. Realistically, every single time, you know, we are in the red, you should be buying. I mean, look at this chart. Literally every single time it is the bottom. Also, all the liquidations on XRP are to the upside. Same with Bitcoin. We have a little bit down here, you know, the next few percent that we could take, but majority of that is towards all-time highs, especially on XRP at $4. Number 3, the sentiment is absolute dog shit in crypto right now. While the stock market's hit all-time highs, precious metals all-time highs, crypto's literally been dog shit, dude. It is only a matter of time before XRP and all these other coins absolutely go crazy, and I believe that the time is now to be buying. So those are just a few reasonings on why I think XRP's bottom. I've called every single top and bottom since the beginning of Joe Biden's presidency on the IG. And one thing's for certain, what we're seeing right now is a textbook bottom. So give it a couple percent. I can promise I'm going to be fucking right. Mark my words, actually. The charts have spoken to me that we are about to have a generational run in crypto. And if you can't see that, well, I don't know what to tell you. Actually, I think President Donald Trump said it best.
I mean, our stock market took the first dip yesterday because of Iceland. So Iceland's already cost us a lot of money. But that dip is peanuts compared to what it's gone up. And we have an unbelievable future in that stock. That stock market is going to be doubled. We're going to hit 50,000 and that stock market's going to double in a relatively short period of time.
I mean, the motherfucker's literally telling you we're about to go up, dude. And some people still just don't listen to me. So look, I don't know where you are in the world, what you're doing, what you're eating right now. Maybe you're sitting even on the fucking toilet. But I want this message to be heard loud and clear, boys. We are about to be at a generational bottom. I think we're already here. And if you lock the motherfuck in right now, oh boy, you are going to absolutely eat here in the next couple months. Honestly, I love Dubai, bro. The only thing that's missing is my kids. Well, they're not missing. They're just genuinely not here. Oh my God, I'm looking so fucking spiffy, boys. The mission is to spread the word of XRP, and we're in the XRP city right now, baby. I mean, I came here a couple years ago and I showed you guys that you can go or use XRP to pay for things. Ripple has their shit plastered everywhere all over the city. These people are tapped the fuck in, and you need to be as well. This shit's not gonna promote itself, okay? I feel like I'm one of the only people out here that genuinely believes in this, that's trying to tell people, that's trying to wake people up, and people just aren't fucking into it, dude. It blows my mind. So love you guys. If you want to see all the plays, you know exactly where to fucking find me. I have to go on board. XRP, I mean, fuck, dude, this shit's generational. It is what it is, man.